record this. Guys, look at this. Look at this.
I'm like, oh my god. What do I do?
I can't see shit. Guys, look at this thunderstorm.
Right after I did that, it takes it all out. I know.
Well, no.
Well, yeah. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, oh, shit.
Dude, oh my god.
You could barely see anything.
This is nuts. Come on, Slowfox.
How are we gonna even get inside the house?
Well, I'll pull up in the front yard.
Yeah. And we'll just run inside. We're going to have to take all the bags.
And guys-
We'll just have to go through and see what's yours.
It's good I brought Sutton.
Huh?
It's good I brought Sutton in on the deck.
Yeah. I'm sure Matt would have.
Guys,
Yeah. What?
once I say, I'm gonna count down. And once I say 3, 2, 1, once I say 0, everybody open their doors and just freaking sonic speed inside.
Okay.
You and your sister do that. I got to grab the food.
Grab that later.
No, grab that later.
Well, no, because Annie Gum has stuff and she's got to get home.
She's gonna get to Matt's.
What?
Dude, oh my god.
I've never been so scared in my life.
Don't be scared. Everything's fine.
We're not in danger.
No.
Oh, that's right. Metal can stand heavy
It's
water.
already starting to lighten up.
Really? Really?
Yeah, a little bit.